Step 1, proper data set. Make sure the data you import into Excel's data model is clean and in the right format. If not, reshape it into a long, machine-friendly layout. Step 2, start schema. You want to connect your dimension tables and fact tables in a one-to-many relationships. Every good financial model also needs a date table for time-based calculations. So we're going to create date table, and then I'm going to show you additional steps to mark it as a date table in Excel. Step 3, DAX. Instead of using Excel's built-in totals like sum of or average of, count of, we are going to create our own measures. We're going to start with the basic measures like total amount, then build time-based measures like MTD, QTD, and YTD. Step 4, cube functions. Cube functions will bring the model into Excel, so reports refresh automatically. Or reports, or you can say measures. All right,